Hi guys, this is KittyCatCreations and this video is about my decision of buying Kanken. Well, I've been liking that bag for so long now and changed my mind because I thought it was so expensive and bought the donut macaron instead, which is slightly cheaper than Kanken. To be honest, I prefer the functionality that donut bag offered, mainly because of its compartments, color variations, and style. But then at the back of my mind, I still want that Kanken bag. So I decided to give it a go. In fact, I did a little research and I also watched that video that tells about its history, environmental friendly aspects, and how their products were made. I think that video is worth to watch. So just in case you want to watch that video, I will post the link in the description box. And that was it. I thought it really helped me with my decision, so I went to Amazon and checked the style and the color that I liked. And then while I was filming this video, I was on my way to get my order. Alright, we're finally here in Flying Tiger. I was also curious about how this Amazon locker works, so this is actually my first time using that service. Hi doggy. Now here's the locker and the name is Delara. And here I was about to type in the codes. Alright, that is my order. Now I'm on my way home. Time check, it's already 19:07 or 7:07 in the evening. Hi there, kitty cat. Alright, time to open this one. Anyway, so based from my research, one of their goals is raise fund to save the Arctic fox. Actually, the Fjallraven is the Swedish word for Arctic fox, so I thought it was cool, and I decided to go for it. This bag is from their Re-Kanken collection. Anyway, the first color that I liked was yellow, but since I already had a yellow bag from Donut Macaron, so I decided to go for this one, and I think it is pretty. I like it. I like the color. So this bag is made out of recycled polyester from plastic bottles, and the color is spring green. Right on the front you can see the frontal pocket that has the zipper with the fox logo on it, and right on the back you can see the Fjallraven. Okay, there is paper stuff inside. Let's take a look. Alright, it has these instructions on how to adjust the strap. I think the paper is made out of recycled paper, which is neat. And then here I think it's all about the history of Kanken. Not sure. Right, let's open it. Okay, here you can find some interesting information about Kanken. And then when you open it, and on the inside you can see their other product and the Arctic fox, the picture of the Arctic fox. Sorry, I didn't show the top part. The top part shows the picture of the founder of the Fjallraven Kanken. I really like the fabric, and on the side you can see this pocket. This has two side pockets. So right on top there is this thing that secures the handle, and the button has this fox logo. To be completely honest, I really like the feel of this bag on my hands. The fabric is so smooth. Now let's check the inside part of this bag. Well, there's nothing much going on in here. It only has one pocket and this white thing where you can put your name, address, and contact numbers, and that cute little Swedish flag. And then you can see this. I'm not sure what is this for, but I think it is for added cushion. Please comment down below and let me know what is this for. Thank you. I'm really happy about my decision. What I said on my previous video, I was really disappointed about the price of this bag because I thought it was really expensive for a simple bag like this. But now that I know that part of the sales will go to this research group that will save the Arctic fox, I think it is all worth it. I'm happy. I like the style, I like the color, I like this embroidered logo. What more could I ask for? So stay tuned on my next video. I will show you side by side the donut macaron mini and this Fjallraven Kanken mini. Right, thank you for watching. Bye.